All that started, working away. All of that to do. True.
Hey gang, so I bought this 201C. I love it. I know a lot of guys go for the actual limb kind of overhand grip, but I like that this has the wrap grip. You saw me just pretty much destroy those limbs over there. Got this burn barrel I'm about to use. Go ahead and get rid of a lot of these limbs and probably save some of the wood for some turning at least. Look for the other video where I actually, the tree is on my house and I took it down. So thanks for joining me. Catch you guys later.